Yeah, you are looking camouflaged. This is another creature. Else? Here. With all the good experience is very good. The closest station is ciao, bye bye. So this is the room which is nicely decorated, and you can see the birthday boy enjoying in the room.
And we are here to celebrate his
This
birthday.
is Uma.
Soon we are going to do the cake cutting and we'll make the video of that also.
Yeah, you are looking camouflaged. This is another creature. So let me take you to the quick room tour. The wardrobe. In that you can see the safe, coffee maker, refrigerator. These are the shelves. Here is the room. This is the working desk, and the most beautiful part of the room, of course, the view from the window. You can see ocean view. And let us go to the washroom. With all the good amenities and fully sanitized. This is the bathtub. So let me take you to the room tour of Executive Suite in the Trident, Nariman Point. So hey, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Y'all are enjoying it? The
Yes.
view?
Yes, we're enjoying this beautiful day here in
Yes.
Mumbai. I just flew in from New York. We're staying at the Trident Oberoi, and we just had breakfast, and now we're just enjoying the pool outside. And it's a beautiful day. And
It's a family gathering after such a long time. Exactly after 1.5 years now.
yeah, 1.5 years.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, good morning everyone. So it was very nice today to wake up with this view. And let me tell you about this hotel, Hotel Trident, Nariman Point. There are total 33 floors in this hotel, and basically this hotel is famous for corporate activities and for the foreign nationals who are coming in Bombay for some work. So basically it's a corporate hotel. It is just next to the Oberoi. The Oberoi is one of the biggest name in Mumbai, and same like Oberoi, it is a 5-star property. The rooms are good as I have shown you, and yes, overall the experience is very good. The closest station, if I will say, near to this hotel is the Churchgate station, and by road it is accessible from all the places of Mumbai. So see you, ciao, bye bye. Hi, good evening. माँ देखो. Good evening.
Good evening.